Well, hi everybody. This is Roger in Kansas City. And look, hey, they're building a bridge. That's that bridge they built by Hoover Dam. That's somewhere between 2005 and 2010. That's when they built it. Gee, that's a cool bridge. And let's just take a closer look at that bridge. Hey, what's that? What's that? Is that a monster? I think it's a monster. Hang on a second while we zoom in. I'm zooming in. La 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 la. Monster by the bridge. Bridge monster. Okay, here we are. Look at this. I'm not making this up. This is on Google Earth. There he is. He's kind of spotty. I think that's his tail back there. That might be his owner. Right there. I don't know. There's some more stuff around here. That's really strange looking. Well, that might be his owner also, that big globby looking guy right there. These are aliens. Absolutely, positively out there taking their dog Spot for a walk. Okay, now there's more over here. Let's look at her. Now I've seen this same chick in Chile. Same hat, whole thing. See her on? She's got her black dress on with the fancy hat, and she's got her two kids to her left there. There's some stuff over her. Wow. You know, there's a lot going on down here in around the Hoover Dam. I've stumbled onto quite a bit, and I sure wasn't expecting to see this guy or these guys. Okay. Well, there you are. I'm totally freaked out. Hang on. Let me look over here. Let me know if you see anything strange. That looks kind of strange. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on. Wait till you see what else I've found. But that's a good start. Good boy. Good boy. He doesn't have a leash on. Well, thanks for watching. This is Roger in Kansas City, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.